Gonna mix up some quikrete, high strength concrete, and make some stepping stones. I'm gonna use these old pie pans I found in the trash. It's gonna take to the scrap yard, but I'm gonna try them as molds first. See how they turn out. I'm gonna experiment a little bit. I got these flat marbles at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale. It's $1.24, 82 cents, 79 cents. Some black ones, 87 cents, 87 cents. So got a little bit of a variety here. Pretty good price on them. They were cheaper on sale at Hobby Lobby than they were at the dollar store, which the dollar store isn't a dollar anymore. But I'm gonna use these, and I like using fig leaves because they're very durable. I'm gonna try this one with it on the bottom for the concrete on top. So gotta find a leaf that'll fit in there. That's pretty good. These beads, I'm gonna do one on the bottom also, and then the rest on top. I got a flat and a round side. I'm gonna put the flat side down. That means the flat part will be the part you see. Make sure this is nice and flat. Alright, let's see how these turned out. One of these has a leaf underneath. The other one has marbles. Let's see which one this is. Oh, it's the marbles. It looks like the concrete got underneath it. But I think I can scrub that off. Just using a steel brush. That's pretty cool. It's an airplane. I like it. Alright, let's try the one with the leaf. So the stem got buried. I'll let that set up overnight. Maybe have them coming through here a little bit. And what I'm going to do is sink them down, and then before the concrete is cured, I'm going to wash it off and expose them. Get all these kind of flat. Good job. You helping? Oh, you missed the pocket. Yeah. You missed the bucket. I think it's looking pretty good. Let that dry and then wipe it off. It's shiny. I like that one. Get this level. Make a decoration however you want, and then push them down in a little bit. I like it. Set down in there a little bit, and that way the cement is around the marbles and holds them in. Nice. It's about as deep as it's going to go. It turned out nice. Let's get this edge off while it's still a little bit soft. It's pretty. Don't want anything sharp sticking up. You helping?
Mama.
Let's see if we can get this off there. Look at that. That's pretty. You want to pull that off? Good job. Here you go. Pull this off.
Sugar.
Ooh. Yay. Let's see if we can get this out. Clean up the edge. Turned out nice. The part you're not going to see. You can see the leaf in there. Alright. Alright, let's let it dry. Alright, I'm going to try to brush this area. I think it might be too late. It's too hard, but if I had done it earlier. I mean, it's exposing a little bit of the gravel compared to this side. It would have been a lot more. That's pretty cool. Exposes some of the white aggregate gravel. Okay. Remember doing those?
See, Mama.
You remember making them? Which one's your favorite? You like that one?
Yeah.
It's a stepping stone, isn't it? Yeah.